What's going on? Hashtag Burritos Nation. It's your boy Rainbow Warrior Jacob here. Today is a bittersweet day. I never thought this day would come, but it's actually a day where I sold one of my belts. And it's not one of my lower end belts that aren't as expensive. It's the belt that I spent the most on. This boy right here, the Rated R spinner belt. Real floppy leather, cubic zirconia stones. It cost me $850. Don't know if you guys can see that or not, but the special Rated R logo put on there by Tim Lee, restoned by Louie Pich, and just I'm gonna miss this belt a lot. But when you pay $850 for it and someone buys it from you for $1,200, you got to go for it. So we're going to say goodbye today to the Rated R spinner belt. Let's go ahead and take it down. One last good look on it. The Rated R spinner belt. Let's go and put it down on the bed. And here we are one last time. The Rated R spinner belt on the real leather by Tim Lee. Cubic zirconia shining stones by Louie Pich. Definitely gonna miss this belt a whole darn lot, but I think that I'll use this money to get myself another belt or two that I've never had before, like a New Japan belt or something, because I've always wanted to get New Japan belts. Maybe an IWGP US, since that's like my favorite belt in the world, or an IWGP Intercontinental belt. But yep. There we go. Oh, and the special patch right here made, engraved into the leather. Rated R Superstar. Awesome. Show you guys the back of it one more time. The screws completely all covered, of course, because it's on real leather on the backing. Ignore the plushies back there. And there we go. The Rated R Superstar. Re-leathered, restoned, cubic zirconia belt. Hope you guys enjoyed the last time seeing this belt on my channel. And I love all y'all burrito lovers. And I'll see all of y'all hashtag Burritos Nation. Ooh, later. We don't want no ham and cheese. We just want burritos, please. Yeah.